On modded Rust servers with boosted gather rates, vanilla's furnace speeds become a bottleneck. Players are drowning in ore with nowhere to put it. Quick Smelt lets you increase smelting speed, adjust fuel consumption, and multiply output so furnaces keep pace with your server's progression. This video covers install, permissions, and configuration. You need Oxide on your server before anything else. You'll also need File Manager or SFTP access to upload the plugin file. Download quicksmelt.cs from umod.org/plugin/quicksmelt. Upload it to Oxide plugins on your server, then restart or run oxide.reload quicksmelt in the console. On first load, the plugin generates its config at oxide config quicksmelt.json. By default, the plugin doesn't affect anyone until you assign the quicksmelt.use permission. Run this in your server console. Oxide.grant group default quicksmelt.use. That gives all players access. If you want it tied to a donor or VIP group instead, replace default with that group name. The config file at oxide config quicksmelt.json is where the actual tuning happens. The main values are speed multipliers, fuel consumption multipliers, and output multipliers. Raising the speed multiplier makes furnaces cycle faster. Raising the output multiplier gives more material per smelt. Fuel consumption multiplier controls how fast wood or charcoal burns. Higher speed usually means higher fuel use, so watch the value. You can also whitelist and blacklist specific items and furnace types. If you want Quicksmelt to apply to electric furnaces but not campfires, or skip certain ores entirely, that's handled in the item and entity shortname lists in the same config file. Once your config is set, save the file and run oxide.reload quicksmelt. No full restart needed. In-game, the furnace UI looks the same. The progress bar still fills, it just fills faster based on your speed multiplier. Players with quicksmelt.use see the modified rates. Anyone without the permission gets vanilla behavior. Two common issues. First, players not seeing any change after install. This is almost always a missing permission. Run oxide.show in the console to verify quicksmelt.use is assigned. Second, furnaces burning through fuel unexpectedly fast. If you raise the speed multiplier without adjusting fuel consumption, fuel burn scales up with it. Drop the fuel consumption multiplier in the config to compensate. That's it! Fizzgun's Rust hosting includes one-click Oxide install and file access from the panel. Link in the description.